How to copy recipients from one email list to another in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the menu bar, click Audience, then select Email Lists. From the list, click on the name of the email list where you want to add contacts. Once you've selected the specific email list, locate the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Perform Bulk Actions. On the Choose Bulk Action page, scroll down and find the option called Copy Members from Another Email List. Click on the Select button next to it. You will now be redirected to the Data Selection tab. Here, choose the email list from which you want to copy the contacts. If you have obtained consent from all the contacts on the list through a double opt-in process, select the Yes, Add them as verified, I do have consent from these members checkbox. Then click Next. On the Notification tab, you have the option to select if and how you want to be notified when the copy process is completed. Choose your preferred notification settings and proceed to the next step. If you want to merge the custom fields between the source and destination email lists, select the Merge Custom Fields option. Finally, click on the Copy button to start the process. A pop-up message will appear, indicating that the copy operation has been successfully queued. To view a report of the operation, click on Go There in the pop-up message. If you want to see the details of when the copy operation started or finished, as well as how many contacts were copied, click on View Reports.